New things in my makeup kit, starting now. Hey guys, what's up? It's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking all about my makeup kit and new products that I have found and bought and love. I think I'm gonna cry. If you happen to be new to my channel, I'm a licensed esthetician and makeup artist based out of Los Angeles, obsessed with simplifying beauty, making it quick and easy, and sharing all my information with you. So if you enjoy this video, definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That'll keep you up to date on my latest videos, and we'll hang out more. It'll be cool. Okay, so the first makeup product that I added into my kit were these amazing new Kat Von D brow pencils. These guys blew me away. I wasn't even at the store to get brow products, and then I was like, oh, these launched recently, I'll just try it on my hand, and then I fell madly in love. The thing that I like most about this product, and the thing that I was like, say what, when I was trying it, is that the shape of this is really unique. I mean, you've seen brow mechanical pencils before, but this one has kind of an oval shape for the applicator, and it makes it so dang easy to draw little brow hair strokes with so much dimension. I mean, yeah, I was floored. And then it was so funny because as I was walking through the store with the whole set, everyone was like, oh my gosh, those are such great products, like you're gonna love them. And I was like, thank you. The next product that I've been going crazy for are these Senna foundation palettes. They have them in 2 different shade ranges. And first of all, I love the size. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I like to have a really small condensed makeup kit. These fit perfectly in my new bag layout, and the finish of these are absolutely stunning. They kind of melt into the skin in such a beautiful way. They wear well. It has kind of a cream to powder finish, so it's more matte. Especially guys, this looks phenomenal on. And I've even been using it for a little bit of contour and highlight, so I'll just scoop out a few colors and then work with it on the skin. Ben Nye came out with these studio color palettes, and they have them in powder foundations as well as blushes. But the cool thing about these palettes is that they are refillable. And since it's a refillable palette, you can actually kind of mix and match to create your own custom palettes. So in the beginning when I first got these, I just had one for powder foundation and one for blush. And I found that I wasn't reaching for them as often because they were 2 separate things. So what I did is I actually made a light medium and then a medium deep, and I combined them. So I basically took some of the blush colors and then some of the powder foundations, put it into one palette for 2 different skin ranges. Although I love cream blush, having a powder blush to just quickly apply on set is fabulous. It just takes less time, it's less messy, you don't have to have a spatula to scoop it out, put it on a palette, and then apply it. This one I can literally just fly in, do a little swirly doodah day, and apply it, and that's all that I need. The next product that I purchased is from a brand called My Kit Co. It's based out of the UK. They have a lot of great bags for organization stuff, and this one I have used for my skincare. So you basically just slide this open, and then I have my like cotton pads that I use and my makeup wipe. And then the cool thing is that first of all, you can store a lot of stuff in here, and y'all know I love my skincare. And then this little flap folds down, and then you can see all of your products. And can y'all see how many pockets are in here? It's amazing because it keeps it more organized. And this bag has a lot of structure to it, but you can see how deep it is. This is a whole micellar where I have, you know, my moisturizers and exfoliators and all kinds of skin prep in there. So I absolutely have been loving this bag, and it holds everything that I need to do skin prep. The next thing that I've added into my kit and absolutely love, these are the Acure Seriously Soothing Micellar Water Cleansing Towelettes. I'm not a huge makeup wipe person. However, in my makeup kit, I have to carry makeup wipes. Sometimes we don't have a sink like readily accessible. The only other makeup wipes that I truly love are the ones from Ulla Henriksen, but these are pretty great as well, and they're a fraction of the price. So this one I got at Sprouts. It was on sale for like $4.99, so definitely check your local Sprouts and wait for it to go on sale. I really like the brand Acure. I think they have great, affordable, all-natural skincare options, and I've been loving these towelettes. Now, the best for last, the biggest for last, both. This is a new set bag from EyeLine, and it has everything you could possibly need. It's amazing, and I love it. I haven't filled it out yet. I actually filmed a video about my step bag Winston in a separate video that if you're interested in seeing what I carry, I'll link it in the description box below. But basically, if you don't know, a step bag is basically an assortment of products that you take to set, so you can do touch-ups on your actors. So this guy is pretty big. It's a lot bigger than my OG Winston, but I'm thinking that this could be great for when I'm working with a ton of talent and when I'm working on a, you know, kind of a longer project that needs more products or like effects, anything like that. So it has 3 pockets here. It has 3 pockets here. It's got something for like wet ones or a trash bag. You could put tissues in here, but the coolest part is, well, a couple of things. One thing that I really like about it is that it's weatherproof. So all your products will be safe if you're, you know, working on an exterior shoot and it's raining or anything like that. All your makeup will be protected, but you can also lose this cover case. You don't have to have it on at all times. You can see in here you've got 3 on each side and then 2 on each side. A giant zipper. This is actually removable as well. You could technically store some stuff in these outer pockets as well, but this kind of holds its form, so it keeps it nice and square. But I will keep you posted when I fill this all up with goodness and let you know what I think as time passes. Alrighty guys, that is it for me for this week. I hope you enjoyed learning about some new products that I've purchased for my makeup kit. If you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up before you head out. And as always, more tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram at Makeup by Shannon Marie. Alright guys, hope you're having a great week. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.